Greetings, my precious viewers. Welcome to the 15th episode in our video series about WordPress for beginners. In previous episode, we are installed OceanWP theme, and today I'm going to explain what is the child theme and why you should use it. Child theme is a child from parent theme. That's logical. But why you should use it? I will give you one example. You have contact form on your website and you don't like how your form looks like by default. You want to change it through CSS and you put your CSS here in appearance on customizer in CSS. After a few days, you have an update for your OceanWP theme. Of course, you want to update it. Click on update, check your website, and styling for your form is vanished because update of parent theme remove all of your CSS code. And also, if you put some code in PHP files in your theme, I will show you one example in my NN website. Here in theme editor, in header PHP file, if you put your Google Analytics code, if you want to see analytics for your account, for your website without plugin, after update of parent theme, this script here will be removed. Here I'm a little bit lazy and I don't have child theme yet. I have solution how you to preserve your changes before update if you want to install child theme. But before that, let's go and install child theme for OceanWP theme. If you type on Google child theme for WP Ocean, you will get link for this page. Here is a link, but just type those keywords in Google search bar. Click here to download child theme, but before you can read guidelines. Okay, click here to download. Click here on clone or download. Click download to zip. I already downloaded. Okay, let's go in appearance and themes. We have already activate OceanWP theme. Click here to add new, upload theme, choose file, and mark OceanWP child theme. Click open and install now. Okay, activate your theme. And this is our child theme. I don't have contact form for on this side, but never mind. Let's click here to customize. Go to additional CSS, and here you can type all of your CSS for whatever you want, and feel free to update your parent theme without any worries. Okay. Now let's go again in my NN website, and if you have installed parent theme, you have some CSS code or something changes like this code here, and you want to install your child theme. Let's read these guidelines. Okay, click here to theme panel and import export. Export your settings. Okay, then go to themes. I have child theme, but I didn't activate it. Download your child theme, activate it. Okay, and again, click here on theme panel, import export, and import your settings. Okay, you can make child theme for every parent theme from WordPress repository or any other WordPress theme, but we don't need that for our for OceanWP theme because they already made it for us. I think that I didn't skip any important part for child theme. Again, if you have any questions, write it down in comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye bye.